Hi everyone, this is Dana Cruzan with Alpha One Innovations. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick media / web page that I created for a client. She's in dire need of a new website. We're doing a full redesign and we didn't have time to put one up, but she's in a event and we need to have something. So I created this in MailChimp, and instead of doing, the menu that you have in a website, since this is not a website, this is just a page, I just went ahead and created these links to the different things that she's offering to clients. We added a video and a little bit about her, a really short bio here, a link where people can opt in to get emails from her, her courses, her different communities, and how to contact her. And this is all done in MailChimp, and you can't put specific fonts in MailChimp, so these are all images I created. This is an image, this is an image, so that we can use the font that she chooses to. And this is just, again, a quick workaround to show how you can get things done quickly if you need to get them done without having to not have a page to offer your clients. Hope you enjoy.